Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you the camera tips and tricks on your Samsung Galaxy A06. First we have the series of photos. So as we are in the camera application, we have to press the shutter, and as it shrinks a little bit we have to drag it down, just like this, as you can see, and just like that we have taken the series of photos. Alright, next we have the quick recording. So when you want to quickly record some video, you don't have to select the video category. You simply go into photos and you have to press and hold the shutter, and just like that, as you can see, it just started recording. You can also drag the finger up to lock the recording, so you don't have to hold the shutter still to record. Alright, next we have the quick zooming. So simply when we want to quickly zoom at something, we can just simply press these two numbers right here, and here we can choose if you want to double zoom, quattro zoom, or to zoom something 10 times. So that's like this. Alright, next we can also change the quality of our pictures by simply pressing this 12M icon. By pressing it, we change it to 50 megapixels. So right now we have better quality of our pictures. Also, next, if you want to quickly make the brightness of our picture or recording, if you want to adjust the brightness, we simply have to press somewhere on the camera, and then we have the slider to adjust the brightness, to make it darker or brighter. It's up to you. Next, we have the functions of these volume buttons. So we have to go into our camera settings right here, and we have to scroll down until we find shooting methods. Here we have the press volume buttons too, and here we can change these functions to take pictures or record videos, zoom in or zoom out, or we can control the system volume, which personally I would prefer the zoom in or zoom out. It might be a nice option if you're holding the phone vertically, horizontally. If you're holding the phone horizontally, you can zoom in or zoom out using these buttons, just like in a regular camera. Pretty nice and interesting. Next we have the GIF creation. We can create GIFs by going into camera settings. We have the swipe shutter button, and we go in here and we can either take the burst shot, which I showed you at the beginning, or we can turn on the create GIF. We can select it to simply, by the same way, we can press and hold. Oh, actually we need to change the quality of the picture, and we can, like this, make a GIF, our own GIF, by this function. Next we have the filters, which probably are here. Yes, right here we have different filters for the face, and not only for the face. So here we have warm filter, cool. You have to take a look at all of them. They change the tint on your pictures, and you can change the filter strength. So it's a pretty nice touch to your pictures. And the last thing I want to show you is how to turn off the shutter, the camera shutter sound. So as we have the sound on, it's this sound. When we are in the camera app and we take a picture, it makes a sound. So if you want to turn it off, you have to completely silent the system noises, which will be this one, the system sounds. We completely have to turn it off to mute these sounds, and right now, as we take pictures, the pictures are completely silent. So that's all the tips and tricks for the camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A06. Thank you for watching.